Just 1 glass every morning. That's all it took. Hospital visits became noticeably fewer. No more catching colds. Stomach problems disappeared. Blood pressure, blood sugar, even constipation. All improved with just one simple drink. This isn't medicine or expensive supplements. It's made from just 3 ingredients you already have in your kitchen. In today's video, I'll reveal why drinking this on an empty stomach transforms your body, how to make this simple drink, and real testimonials from people who've tried it. Chapter 1. Real results from daily users. At first I was skeptical too, but after about 2 weeks I was amazed. I felt less heavy in the morning, my stomach felt better, and people said my skin looked clearer. Testimonials from people who consistently drink this show overwhelmingly positive responses. Blood pressure decreased, constipation disappeared, appetite control improved, helping with weight loss. One person said their chronic heartburn, which didn't respond to medication, got better after drinking this. Chapter 2. The 3 core ingredients. The secret lies in mixing 3 ordinary ingredients in the right proportions, not exotic superfoods, but ingredients in any kitchen. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps with blood sugar control, digestion, and weight management. Drinking diluted apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach regulates stomach acidity, effective for bloating and poor digestion. Studies show it can help lower blood cholesterol. Honey provides natural anti-inflammatory action and immune strengthening. Mixed with vinegar, it supplies energy slowly without stomach irritation, while reducing body inflammation. For frequent coughs or dry morning throats, honey provides gentle coating. Warm water, beyond dilution. Morning warm water gradually raises body temperature, activating bowel movements and helping elimination. Since straight vinegar can irritate teeth and stomach lining, proper dilution is essential. The ideal ratio: 1–2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, half to 1 teaspoon honey, and 200–250 ml warm water. This creates a comprehensive health drink addressing digestion, gut health, immunity, and weight management simultaneously. Chapter 3. Real changes and precautions. Suffering from high blood pressure and constipation, Ms. Lisa started this morning drink. Changes began after 3 days. Going to the bathroom became easier. My body felt lighter. Before, my joints were stiff when waking, but now they move smoothly. Hospital checkups showed stabilized blood pressure. Case study office worker Mr. Walter, living irregularly with constant bloating and bad breath, he found relief. Drinking 1 glass on empty stomach helps digestion tremendously. Less bloating after lunch, and bad breath mysteriously decreased. Important precautions. People with sensitive stomachs, especially gastritis or reflux, should be careful. Vinegar's acid can irritate stomach lining. Avoid empty stomach consumption. Drink after meals, or use just honey with warm water. Diabetics should be cautious since honey affects blood glucose. Reduce honey amounts or consult healthcare providers. People taking medications, especially blood pressure, diuretics, or insulin, need medical consultation, as vinegar can affect potassium levels and interfere with treatments. Adjust to your body's needs, rather than blindly following trends. Chapter 4. Optimal method and habits to avoid. Perfect timing. This drink is most effective immediately after waking on an empty stomach. Warm liquid entering your overnight emptied stomach activates gastric movement and awakens circulation. Combined with vinegar's acetic acid and honey's antioxidants, expect waste elimination, intestinal cleansing, and blood sugar stabilization. Those with sensitive stomachs should drink 30 minutes after light meals, rather than on empty stomach. Water temperature. Use lukewarm water around 104–122 F 40–50 C. Too cold shocks your morning body, too hot destroys honey's properties. Post-drink protocol. Avoid coffee or caffeine for 30 minutes after drinking. Acid plus caffeine can burden your stomach and interfere with honey absorption. Habits to avoid. Don't maintain high sugar, fried, or high sodium diets while drinking this. This diminishes effects and can cause stomach problems. Don't think I drank this so I can eat anything. This drink supplements healthy habits. It's not a cure-all. Use it as a starting point for better eating, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Chapter 5. 2-week transformations. Many say this small habit changed their lives. The changes aren't dramatic, but consistent. My body feels completely different. Common changes. Gut health within 1 or 2 days. People notice bathroom improvements, softer stools, less gas, reduced bloating. Many experience morning lightness for the first time. Skin and mood. Better gut health leads to clearer skin and improved complexion. Women report less dull skin and better makeup application. Many mention mood stabilization, starting with warm morning drinks. Brings mental calm and prevents anxiety from blood sugar drops. Gradual improvements: eating less, feeling less bloated, easier bathroom visits. These daily improvements combine to boost overall condition. The deeper impact. This habit transforms your self-care attitude. Morning time becomes health-focused rather than rushed. After 2 weeks, you look forward to mornings, feel lighter, and sense improvement. This small but powerful drink can become the starting point that changes your body, day and life's flow. Chapter 6: Who benefits most? This morning drink particularly helps certain groups. People who don't feel refreshed upon waking. Those with heavy heads and sluggish morning bodies often have slow circulation or compromised gut function. This drink gently stimulates gut movement and gradually raises blood sugar, naturally jump-starting the body. Constipation or digestive issues. Especially after 50, colon movement slows, and stomach acid decreases. Diluted apple cider vinegar acts as a gentle laxative, significantly improving gut health. Poor appetite control for unstable fasting. Blood sugar or stress-induced binge eating, this drink provides excellent appetite suppression. Vinegar maintains satiety while honey prevents dramatic glucose changes, enabling natural portion control. Blood pressure or cholesterol concerns. Research shows acetic acid improves lipid metabolism and reduces vascular inflammation. Combined with exercise, it positively affects blood pressure management. Anyone seeking body balance, this drink is an excellent starting point for restoring body balance. Just 1 glass every morning helps reset your body's rhythm. Start today. Health rarely changes dramatically overnight. Most transformations start with small habit repetitions that eventually change our bodies, minds, and lives. This morning vinegar drink might seem ordinary, but consistent practitioners say it changed their health standards. Don't overthink it. No complicated diets or expensive supplements needed. Simply mix 1 spoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey in warm water every morning. That's all. If you're hesitating, let today be your beginning. Start tomorrow morning. This small but powerful change might transform your day and revitalize your body. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Your future healthy self will thank you for taking this first step today. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I truly hope this simple morning habit brings you healthier, happier days ahead. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video with more health tips that can change your life. Stay healthy, stay strong.